Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophia here, and today I am coming to you guys with another nail haul. This time it's not from Temu, it's actually from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So to start off, I got this 2-in-1 cuticle cutter and pusher. Personally, for my nails, I like using this cuticle cutter versus the other one because I feel like when I used to go to the nail salon, I used to always get nipped. And just thinking about using, hold on, let me show you which one I'm talking about. Sorry for the shakiness, but this is what I mean. Like this one scares me. Like, I don't know, like this is just so intimidating to me. And you know, I'm a beginner, so my hand is like a little shaky. And you know, I'm like, I can't do this, but I definitely can do this. I have a pink one and I really like it. So yeah, this is definitely a part of my kit. The second thing that I got from Amazon was these French tip guides. So as you know, I am a beginner, so I do practice my French using my line brushes, you know, but not to cut corners, but you know, to cut corners, it's like, okay, you know, I definitely want something to, you know, help me make the French tips, which I feel like getting help is not always a bad thing. So these things came in like a 3-pack and different shapes. Like this one is more like the traditional round French, and then this one is like, you know, if you want to be, I guess, a little different with different shape. This one also looks like it'll be good for like if you wanted to make press on toenails and do French, you know, that's what it looks like. And then it's this one, it's like a line. If you don't want the line at the end to be curved, you can have like a straighter line. So I like the fact that I have options. And yeah, so now let's get into polish. So I have this Fazent, let me not butcher this name, but Zenest, I'm gonna just say finesse, because that's what it looks like to me. Because you know how like some brands, they be like, oh, the Z is silent, the T is silent, the P is silent. So I'm like, yeah, this is finesse, okay, gel polish. And I got it in this cute like pink shimmer color. Let me see if I can get it up close. Like this pink shimmer color. It's just so, hold on, let me get my thumb. So that is what she looks like. Hope you can see it. But that is the shade that I got. I wanted like a nice pink shimmer champagne color because I'm such a pink girl. Like, I just love pink. So I'm like, you know what? And then also too, I have a set in mind with something similar to this shade. So I'm like, you know what? I just had to get it. It was in my mind. I seen it, you know, on a set that I really want to do. So I'm like, okay, let's get this color. And besides, you know, like I said, it's pink. I love pink. So yeah. The last two products that I have are from Makartt. It's the nail art glue or nail art 3D nail. So I don't know why it came in different packaging, but anywho, let's open this one up. So I got Blanc. I got Blanc. And I got this cotton. Oh, I got candy coated, not cotton candy. Candy coated. So I got 2 colors. OMG. Okay, so I got these 2. Oh my god, my charge. Let me unplug my phone real quick. Oop, sorry for the shaking. But I got these 2 3D sculpture gels because I really want to practice making 3D clouds. Like, I don't know, like I just love watching cloud videos, and I love watching girls make clouds on nails. Like, I don't know, just something about clouds. Like, I just love me a nice just cloud artwork. And I seen this girl that I follow, I think her name is Ami, something like that, I'm not really sure, but she uses, you know, like different 3D gels and stuff like that. And I watch other videos of 3D, you know, nails. And like when I come out with my own press-on nail business, I would love to have a cloud set, but I want to have the clouds be 3D, and that's all I'm gonna say about that. But yeah, so I just thought, okay, like let's just start practicing, you know. So I got, like I said, pink and candy coated, and we're just gonna open it up real quick just to see what it look like. Okay, just to see what it look like. Ooh, I don't have a sturdy hand, but this is what it looks like. I guess this is the color. Let me squeeze out some more. And it's just like this. And I like the fact that the spout is I like that the spout is like small, you know, because you definitely can build from the little small spout. And this is the pink one. I love pink, so definitely had to get pink. Ooh, look at that color. Look at that. Look at that pink. I feel like it's more pink in person. It's a little like, I don't know, I can't tell, but it's definitely pink. I feel like on camera it's a little light, but this pink color, I just love pink. I need to come out with like a pink set, just strictly pink. Pink on pink on pink on pink on pink. So yeah, so okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is my little mini haul from Amazon. I just wanted to show you guys the things that I got from Amazon to add to my collection. Don't forget to watch my last video, my last nail haul video that I got from Temu. So don't forget to watch that. And on that note, I hope you guys have a good day. I love you guys. I also want to give a shout out to my 3 new subscribers. Like, I'm so happy that like you guys are a part of my nail journey. That means so much to me, and I cannot wait to bring you guys more videos and more content. I can't wait to show you guys my progress. I cannot wait to complain to you guys about things going wrong. Like, I'm happy that, you know, you guys are a part of this little journey. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.